f of x is a polynomial function such that f of 2x is equal to f dash of x into f double dash of x. What is the value of f of 3? Since here it is given that the function is a polynomial function, but the degree of this function is not given, so we will suppose the degree of the function is n. This means degree of f dash of x is equal to n minus 1, and similarly degree of f of double dash of x is equal to n minus 2. Because let's take example, if I take f of x is equal to x cube plus of x square plus x plus of 1, take derivative of this function, we get 3x square plus of 2x plus of 1. Take double derivative of this function, we get 6 of x plus of 2. Now if I pay attention here, initially the degree of the function was 3, and after taking the derivative it becomes, highest degree becomes 2, and after taking double derivative the highest degree becomes 1 here. So that's why if we take the degree of the function as n, the degree of f dash x will be 1 less than n, which is n minus 1. Degree of f double dash of x will become 2 less than n, that is n minus 2. Now it is given that the f of 2x is equal to f dash x into f double dash of x. Take another example. If the function is x cube plus x square and f dash x will be 3x square plus 2x and f double dash x will be 6x plus of 2. So if we compare this, 3x square will multiply with this 6x and it will give us 18x cube, which is the highest degree on the right hand side, and x cube is the highest degree on the left hand side. Using the same example, we can say if the highest degree on the left hand side is n for a polynomial of nth degree, so first bracket the highest degree will be of n minus 1, and the second bracket the highest degree will be of n minus 2, and on adding we get the highest degree on the right hand side. And since this equation equals, so the degrees will also be equal. Like in this example, the degree 2 and degree 1 here gets added and give us 3. Similarly, f dash x has n minus 1 degree and f double dash x has n minus 2 degree, and on adding them we get the highest degree of the right hand side of the function, which has degree n. So on calculating now, we get n is equal to 2n minus 3, which ultimately gives n equal to 3. So clearly that means highest degree is 3. So that means the function is a cubic polynomial. So I can write the function as f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus of d, and here a cannot be equal to 0, because if a becomes 0, this equation will not be a cubic equation. Since we have this functional equation, so first of all I would like to write f of 2x. So replacement of x should be given by 2x, a into 2x whole cube plus b into 2x whole square plus c into 2x plus of t, which becomes 8a x cube plus 4bx square plus 2c into x plus of t. And similarly, if I take the derivative of the function f dash x, we get 3a x square plus 2bx plus of c, and on taking double derivative we get 6a of x plus 2b. Now using this equation 1, 2 and 3 in this equation number a, we get, now evaluating the right hand side also, we get 18a square into x cube plus 6ab x square plus 12ab into x plus 4b square into x plus 6acx plus 2bc on right hand side. Now on comparing coefficient of x cube, we have 8a and 18a square here, so we get 8a is equal to 18a square. Since a cannot be equal to 0 for cubic equation, so 1a cancels with this a, so a becomes 8 by 18, which ultimately becomes 4 by 9. Now comparing the coefficient of x square, here it is 4b and here it is 6ab. We have 4b is equal to 6ab. Since a cannot be equal to 0, so that means only one possibility is there, which is b is equal to 0. Comparing the coefficient of x, we have 2c here and 4b square plus 6ac here. So 2c is equal to 4b square plus 6ac. Since b is equal to 0, we have 2c is equal to 6ac and a is 4 by 9. So that clearly means only one possibility is there, c is also 0. And finally comparing the constant term, here it is d and here it is 2bc. So d is equal to 2bc and b is equal to 0, c is also equal to 0, so clearly d is also equal to 0. We have evaluated a, which is 4 by 9, b equal to 0, c equal to 0 and d equal to 0. So the function becomes f of x is equal to 4 by 9 into x cube, and we want to evaluate f of 3, so that means 4 by 9 into 3 cube, and ultimately it becomes 4 by 9 into 27, and finally it becomes 12.